Tatna. Brothers and sisters of Kandhamal district, please overlook this medicinal plant. It is a very important medicinal plant. As you called in English, it is a pride of India. भारत का गर्व और गौरव कहते हैं उसको हिंदी में. Please overlook it. It is a very important essential medicinal plant for all human beings. Those who have suffered a lot of chronic disease in stomach as well as diabetes, these patients have curable immediately by this. You overlook it. Please overlook these things. It is a very important one. And now we have to go through another good plant. This plant is also very important. Essential and immediate effect for all human beings. Please overlook it. In Hindi, it is called as a Jarula plant. It is the common name is Lagrotheraspia spiceosa. It is known as the Queen's crab mistel also. Its native place is in South Asia of a tropical tree also it may call. Please overlook it. It is very essential and important one. All should have overlooked it and observe this medicinal plant. No doubt it will help to all human beings for immediate curable of diabetes diseases also. Its native place is in South Asia. It is also called as a scrap mistral. In Marathi language, it is called as a samar and state flower of Maharashtra also. Please overlook it. Very decent and decorative medicinal plant flower. It is also called as the Bharat ka Gaurav word. It is called as a Latharici also in foreign countries. In Odia language, it is called Jarula. Please overlook it. Odia people, as you call the Odia tract, have recalled it as Jarelu plant. In Sanskrit, it is known as Sianandam. In Hawaii language, it is called Okina. In the island of Kauai and Tanisha and Parana in India also. And bars are used for diabetes patients. Purpose power and its leaves is very essential for. They have made it come to this side. Please open it. Its flower is more decorative in the garden as well as the festivals of Marathi person festival matter. It has eliminated carbon dioxide from atmosphere levels also and earthly climate also. Please overlook it. From top to level you have to observe these things and check these points. It has eliminated the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere levels of the earth. Its flowers, sweet smelling, create a new fragrance air in our atmosphere levels also. Traditionally, its leaf manage blood sugar levels also. Please overlook it. Very essential and immediately curable of diseases of your diabetes and chronic stomach pains. Modern research suggests that the extract from the leaves have a hypoglycemic effect, which means they can help lower glucose levels. It possesses antimicrobials and antioxidant effect. Its bark is used to treat diarrhea and abdominal pain of the patients in Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Taiwan, and Japan also. To conclude, I would like to highlight once again this medicinal plant. Please overlook. In the subcontinent of India, especially in Manipur, its fruit are used tropically for mouth ulcers. Its wood is used to make a carved switch as well. Please overlook. Very essential medicinal plant for all human beings. Please observe it and take care about it. And at length, I have given more thanks to all of you. Please subscribe my medicinal plant as I have forecast in front of you. And at length, I have given much more regard to all of you in this matter. Jai Hind. Observe this line, these boards. Please overlook once again. This is my last but not the least advice to all of you. Please observe and supervise the matter and listen my voices. According to that, you have to proceed for medicinal use purpose. As usual, very important for all. Especially, I have given more priority to the Ayurvedic students, those who have practiced doctor in Ayurvedic medicine. Thanks to all. Please observe once again. It's very important and essential for all. Jai Hind.